So yesterday we learned about area. Can anyone tell me what we learned about area?
That it's like what's inside a space.
What's inside a space? Yes, that's exactly right. What's an example that we could use that I've actually been using through past lessons about to explain what area is?
Maybe the carpet inside this room.
That's right. So today that's going to lead us into learning about perimeter. So perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape, which that dimensional shape, remember, could be a square or any flat object, right? So the objective of the day is that the students will find perimeter of find the perimeter of two-dimensional shapes. So, can anyone provide me an example of what maybe a perimeter could be if the carpet is area?
The walls.
The walls, that's right. So that's all around. So that's the distance around this room. Very good. So first, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna pass out a worksheet, and it's gonna have multiple different shapes, and we're gonna learn about how to find the perimeter of these shapes. So perimeter, instead of using multiplication like we did to find area, we are using addition. So the first shape that you guys have in your paper is, I just want you guys to watch me, it's just a square. What do we know about squares?
All sides are equal.
All the sides are the same. So if we have 7 centimeters on one side, what does that mean?
That it's 7 centimeters on all sides.
On all sides, right? So there's me 7 centimeters here, 7 centimeters here, and 7 centimeters here. And so, instead of using multiplication, we're going to use addition to find perimeter, like I said before. So all we would have to do is do 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. All right? So, can anyone help me add this up in a simple way that we've learned previously in class, maybe by chunking up the numbers?
Do 7 plus 7 and
So 7 plus 7 would equal
14.
14
And then the other 7 plus 7.
plus
14.
14. So, what is 14 plus 14? Does anyone know?
28.
28. Good job, Megan. All right.
28.
So 28 centimeters is. So why is it important to put down the metrics of after each time we find it?
So that way you know how big this shape is.
That's right. That's what we know what we're measuring. Thank you. Now I just need to find the.
Oh, it's behind you.
All right. So the next shape we're going to learn how to do perimeter of is a rectangle. What do we know about rectangles? Anyone tell me? Well, rectangles, has 2 parallel sides. So that means 2 sides are the same and 2 sides are the same. Okay. So if we have 5 right here, what's the length of this side?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Okay. And if we have 10 centimeters here, how much do we have here?
10 centimeters.
10 centimeters. Okay. So when we find the perimeter of a rectangle, we do the exact same math as we did for a square. So we would do 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. So what's 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Thank you. Excellent. Plus, what's 10 plus 10?
20.
20. Thank you. So if I did 10 plus 20, what would that equal?
30.
Thank you, Hannah. Very nice.
30 centimeters.
30 centimeters, because we need to know what we're measuring, right? Good job. Alright, so we're going to do one more shape, and then I'm going to have you guys try a couple on your own. So the next shape is a right triangle. So we have 2 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here, and 4 centimeters here. Okay. So for this shape, again, we're using the same exact math. So first, we would find one side, which is 2 centimeters, plus another side, which is 3, plus 4. Why do you think there's only 3 numbers here?
Because there's only 3 sides.
Oh, thanks, Megan. Excellent. Alright, so first, what I'm going to do here is go 2 plus 3, which equals 5, plus 4, which equals 9. 9 centimeters. Alright. Is there any questions? Nope. Great. Okay. So now I'm going to give you guys a practice problem as you see on your paper. It'll be problem number 3. And it's a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to give you guys some time to solve this. And then I would like one of you to come up here and show me how you did it on the board. Alright, so who would want to come up here and demonstrate how to figure this problem out?
I will.
Yes, thank you, Megan.
Please pretend I'm 3 feet shorter. Okay. So I took all the sides, so 2, that's that one, plus 2, that one, plus 2, that's that one, plus 2, that's that one, plus 2. And that's all the sides. And I
Okay.
put equal to, and then I added them in groups. So I did 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 2 plus 2 is 4 again. And then there's one more 2, so I just brought that down. And then I did another group, so 4 plus 4 is 8, and then plus 2, and then 8 plus 2 is 10, and it's centimeters, so I put centimeters.
Very nice. You're a rock star, Megan. Thank you. Does this make sense to you, Hannah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, great. So I'm going to write one more on the board, and this one won't be as tough as the last one, and Hannah would like you to come up here and solve it for me. Does that sound like a plan?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, so guys, on your own, would you guys solve this and then come up here? Alright, Hannah, would you like to come up here and give it a shot?
Sure.
Awesome.
Okay. I noticed this was a rectangle, so I knew that this would be 4 over here.
Awesome. Great job.
And then these sides are the same, so it's 8.
Very good.
So I did 4 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8. And then I knew 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 plus 8 is 16. And then 8 plus 16 is 24 centimeters.
Very nice. You guys are catching on real quick.